morning students, I am your teacher Hirali and I am here again with another lecture regarding English grammar, and our today's lecture is about adjectives, which has also adjectives of colors, but we will discuss this later. First understand what adjectives are. Adjectives are describing words. Whenever there is a noun and we are describing it, what kind of a noun it is, we use a word which is explaining what is that noun, and this word is describing the noun. And this word, the word used to describe the noun, is known as adjectives in English grammar. For example, if there is a cat is a noun, and if we say the cat is lazy, or the cat is black, or the cat is brown, or the cat is running very fast. So lazy is indicating the cat has specific traits, specific quality, and this word is indicating it is an adjective. Again, if we move to the adjectives of color, every color word, whenever it is used before a noun or reflecting a noun or describing a noun, it is an adjective, and it is an adjective, right? An orange ball, a white frog. White and orange are describing different nouns, so these are adjectives here. Now let's move to the book to solve different exercises. Now let's start the unit with the understanding the concept and definition. According to the concept of adjectives, adjectives are the words that give us some information. Adjectives हमें information देते हैं. This information is only about nouns. वो information सिर्फ nouns के बारे में होती है, and we know that all naming words are nouns, और हमें पता है कि सब naming words हैं क्या हैं वो nouns. Now definition. An adjective is a word that tells us more about a noun. Whenever there is a noun and we are discussing what kind of noun it is, we use the words which are known as adjectives. A purple umbrella. Purple is reflecting what kind of umbrella it is. So umbrella is noun here and purple is adjective here. An enormous elephant. Enormous means huge, बहुत बड़ा. Enormous is adjective here and elephant is noun. An angry face. Angry is adjective and face is noun. A shining sun. So shining is indicating what kind of sun it is. Whether it's dull, it's brown, it's yellow, or it's shining. So shining is adjective here and sun is noun. Now we have different kinds of adjectives. We have adjectives of size, we have adjectives of colors, number, 5 senses, shape, but we will only discuss after this adjectives of colors here. First, you need to rewrite the definition of an adjective. We have a definition here. Learn it by heart first and then write it here. Don't just copy it, just learn and then write it here. An adjective is a word that tells us more about a noun. The second question is underline the adjectives. We are given different sentences. Here we need to underline the adjectives. My pet dog is fat and lazy. Dog is our noun here. So we need to find out what kind of dog it is. It is fat and it is lazy. So underline fat and lazy. The sword is sharp and shiny. Sharp and shiny are adjectives here which are indicating what kind of sword it is. So underline sharp and shiny. The sea is deep. Sea is the noun and deep is the adjective here. The questions are easy. Questions, noun, and what kind of questions are these? Easy. So easy is giving information about the noun. Easy is our adjective here, underline it. The giant was cruel and selfish. Giant, noun, cruel and selfish, adjective because it is telling us about giant. Cartoons are funny. Funny is the adjective here. Alina was happy. Happy is the adjective here. The little boy feels glad. Glad is giving information about little boy. So it is the adjective word here. Moving on to the next page. Our first task here pick out the adjectives and nouns and put in the right column. We are given different phrases here and we need to find out our adjectives and our nouns and write them separately. A heavy parcel. Parcel is a noun, it's a thing. So we will write it here in the noun section, and heavy is giving information about parcel, which means it's an adjective, and we will write it here. A gold key. Gold adjective, key noun. A hungry cow. Cow noun, an animal. Hungry adjective talking about the noun. An ugly frog. Frog animal noun. Ugly quality adjective, so write it here. A thirsty crow, crow is the noun, thirsty is the adjective. A bowl of creamy custard, creamy is the adjective because it is giving us information about the custard, which is a thing to eat and think about from the food section, and we will write it in the nouns. A large field, field is a noun and adjective here is large. A blue aeroplane, write blue in the adjective because it's a color and it's talking about an object which is aeroplane, and aeroplane is down here. Again, let's move to the next task. Look at the picture below and fill in the blanks with a suitable adjective. We are given a picture here and we need to find out what the picture is giving information about the given nouns. Grandma is wearing a dash dress. So we are given two options, red and white, and we are unable to find red here, so it means that dress is white. The girls are looking dash, happy or sad. The girls are here happy, so we'll write happy here. The girls here is dash. I have just focus it whether it's dull or bright because we are given these two options here and we are finding it here that these are bright. So we will say the girls here is bright. The flowers are fresh or dried. We have fresh flowers here, so we'll write fresh. The room is beautiful or ugly. We will write beautiful here. Now turn your page and you have a story here. What you need to do is complete the story by using suitable adjectives from the box. You are given a box here, you are given different adjectives here. You need to fill the blanks in the given story with the usage of these adjectives. Amir was going to the market on a very dash and dash day. Amir जा रहा था market with these, now we have these two dashes here. So we need to define what kind of day it was. We have hot here and we have sunny here. So we'll write hot and sunny day. On his way he saw an dash man. We have old here, so we'll write old here, who was very thirsty. The old man looked very dash, old man looked very weak. He was not able to walk properly. Amir was a very dash and dash boy. Now we need to specify what kind of boy Amir was. So we have adjectives like kind and polite. So we'll write it here, kind and polite. On seeing the old man, he felt very dash. We have adjective sad here, so we'll write sad here. He at once took out his dash water bottle. We have red a color here, so we'll write red here, and asked the old man to drink water. He then helped the old man reach his dash house. The old man thanked him. अब house से पहले एक छोटी सी blank है and we need to specify what kind of house it was, and we have an adjective of size here, so we'll write small. Okay, we are done with this adjective exercise here. We are given again different words here and you need to learn the spellings. It can help you in your writing practices. Now move to the unit 8, which is adjectives of color. Just as I have told you that every color is an adjective word because it is describing any noun. We know that all colors tell us more about nouns. Every noun is reflecting any color and the words used indicating that colors are known as adjectives. So all colors are adjectives. We know that there are 7 colors in a rainbow. All of them are adjectives. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet, these all are part of rainbow. So rainbow contains these colors and these colors are here adjective. Definition. An adjective is a word that tells us more about a noun. We have already done this and you need to just learn this definition. Adjectives of colors: white, black, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Any kind of color, any word that is indicating any color, it is an adjective. All colors are adjectives. My brother is wearing a yellow hat. Hat is the noun here and what kind of color it has? Yellow. Yellow is the adjective here. She has a red pair of shoes. Red is an adjective here. Turn your page. The goat is eating green leaves. Green, adjective. A black dog is running in the street. Black, adjective. A white rabbit is sleeping in the street. White is the color here and white is our adjective here. He has a yellow shirt. Yellow again or adjective. My golden football is new. Golden, color, adjective of color. A brown cat is sleeping. Brown again, adjective of color. Now let's move to our first exercise. Fill in the blanks by picking up the adjectives of color from the sentences given above. You need to read the sentences and find these words in the sentences and the color before these words, these nouns, and then write the color here. We have a rabbit here, the word, and in the sentences the rabbit is described as white, so write white here. We have cat, and cat is brown, write brown here. We have leaves, and leaves are green, write green here. We have dog, and dog is black, write black here. We have shirts, and shirt is yellow, write yellow here. We have football, and football is golden, write golden here. We have a pair of shoes, and turn the page back, and you will see we have a pair of shoes, red, write red here. Similarly, we had a hat in the previous page which was yellow, write yellow here. On the next page, we have a task. Read the story and circle the adjectives of color and underline the nouns. In this story, we need to circle the color names because these are adjectives, and underline the nouns. Jahangir here is a noun, just underline it. Was an honest king, king again is a noun. His coat, coat is a place, it's a noun here, was very beautiful. He wore a violet robe. Violet is indicating a color, this is the color violet, and you need to circle it. And robe is a noun here, so underline it. And a golden crown, golden color, circle it, and crown, noun, underline it with red stones. So red is the color which is an adjective, circle it, and stones, underline. He would sit on a golden chair. Chair is the noun, underline it, and golden is the color, the adjective, circle it. The coat had blue walls. Coat and walls are nouns. These are things. So underline them, and blue is the color, circle it. His coatman wore orange and sky blue robes. Coatman and robes are nouns, so underline them. Sky blue and orange are colors, circle it. So with this we are done with our topic adjectives and adjectives of color. Hope you are learning well, and hope you are resting. Allah Hafiz.